Unbox my Sephora order with me. I forgot scissors, so I'm going to use this thing I used to shave my face. Okay, so in all honesty, I put an order in because I needed one thing, and it's not even for me. But better believe I get as many free things when I order from Sephora as possible. Like, half the time I'm going into Sephora in person, I'll figure out what I want and then go home and order because you just get so many more free things. So, here we go. I lied. I bought 2 things. First up is this Tarte Drink of H2O moisturizer. I had got it in... I'm going to close this. You don't need to see what's in my messy closet. So this is the Tarte Hydrating Boost moisturizer. I got it in a FabFitFun box like years ago, like the free FabFitFun box they give you because I canceled after that. I'm cheap, okay? Anyways, I got this and I loved it. It's so moisturizing. It's like, don't waste it. It's just like a gel kind of, but it's so, it just smells like a beachy spa. I'm not a picky person when it comes to moisturizer, but this is one of the best ones that I've tried. Just, it feels so nice and hydrating on. It makes your skin look dewy, but not like glittery or shiny. It was on sale. Like, this is the only reason I got it. I think I had saved it into like save for later. It was normally like 50 and it was on sale for like 20 or something like that. Like, I was just like, okay, I have to buy it. It was faith. And then this is the reason I was putting the order in because my husband really likes the Mario Badescu drying lotion. For like, when you have pimples, you just like put a dot of it on and it's kind of like gone the next day. So I had one of these before, but we used it up and then what was left just got dried up over time because this is probably like 10 years old. We purchased that. And then these are all the things I got for free. Redeemed some points and then I also got the standard 2 samples you get and then I found a code for another free sample. So I don't remember which was which in these, but here we go. Oddity Milk Scent Space Expressive. So this must be a fragrance. I'm really into trying out new fragrances now. I feel like I have a different vibe for what I like look for in a fragrance these days. I'm not looking for anything like, I used to love like super sweet vanilla, like those kind of like classic scents. And now I kind of look for something a little bit more clean or even like kind of musky and like spicy. Like Replica by the Fireside is like one of my favorite scents, but I just have like a little baby one of it there and it's almost gone. So I need a new scent. Should I spray these? I'm not wearing one today. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. I wouldn't say it's unique. I've smelled this before or something similar. It's kind of like vanilla, I think. But it's very fresh. I like that. I will use that. This is a perfume, but it's not a perfume. Juliet has a gun. Molecular composition and will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. That's not great English. Chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance, but don't rush too fast into conclusions. It is one of our top sellers, and there's a good reason for that. The fragrance simply stands out. Well, now I've sprayed that other one, and it's all I can smell, but I really like that. Oh, that's nice. It's very like fresh. It's like very clean. It resembles actually my wedding perfume, which was Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar. It smells kind of similar to that because this kind of doesn't smell like you're wearing perfume. It just smells like you smell nice, if that makes sense. Another fragrance, and it's actually the same brand as that Clean Reserve. It's the scent Skin. It's their Reserve blend, and this is a roller ball. I think this is one I redeemed for points because it's a little bit bigger. Ooh. Okay, I don't know how to describe scents, but this is nice. It's a little bit more mature of a scent than those previous two. Yeah, it's like a little more musky. It could almost be like a cologne. It's nice though, I like it. It's like a nighttime scent, I feel. Like when you're going out in the evening. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I think this was also redeemed for points. Or I redeemed points for it. It is an instant turnaround moisturizer. Kind of smells like Old Lady a little bit. Like it's a thicker cream, so that's nice. It'll probably be a nice, yeah, like nighttime cream or like under the eyes especially. Next up, oh my god, another scent. I don't think I ordered this one. Or maybe this was the promo code one. This is the Radiant Nectar. This is my wedding fragrance. I love that. It's a rollerball version. Well, smaller one because I have the bigger rollerball. That's awesome. Did not know I was getting this. Must be fake. Last thing. Oh yeah, this is just the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I've gone through many of these over the years. I think I got this one with points as well. But I love having these. I have like a little container of like travel size things that I will use when I travel because I just normally take like a carry-on these days because we talk about the fact that you have to pay for a carry-on now on a lot of airlines, like the cheaper ones, which are the ones that I'm flying on. Like you can only bring on a personal item for free and you have to pay for a carry-on and then you pay way more for a checked bag. I hate that. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.